Hey Everett,
Hey, how's it going today?
do you have some time to show us around your neighborhood?
Absolutely. I'm actually on my way over to a listing over in Park Slope, and I'd be happy to show you around. We got a little bit of time. Rich history, beautiful architecture, a vibrant food scene, and a strong community spirit. Come with me to explore why throughout the years Park Slope has remained one of the most coveted neighborhoods in Brooklyn. And stick with me to the end to find out some of my favorite spots and see a sneak peek of what we have coming soon in Park Slope. Located in the Midwestern part of Brooklyn, its history dates back to the 1850s, when developers began to build the first row houses along with the neighborhood's picturesque streets. The area was initially marketed to the wealthy as a suburban retreat from the city, with easy access to downtown Manhattan via the Brooklyn Bridge, which was completed in 1883. Park Slope gets its name in part from its topography. The area here is situated on a slope that rises from the Gowanus Canal all the way up to Prospect Park in the west, which spans 585 acres and offers plenty of outdoor activities, including biking, hiking, and picnicking for all to enjoy. Designed by Frederick Law Olmsted and Calvert Vaux, the same architects responsible for Central Park in Manhattan, Prospect Park opened up in 1867, becoming a popular destination for residents and the surrounding neighborhoods. And it remains one of the defining features to this day. Everyone wants to be on the park. Not to mention, you're all within steps of Grand Army Plaza, which has several attractions, including the Brooklyn Museum, the Brooklyn Public Library, and the Botanic Gardens. When first established, the neighborhood's proximity to Manhattan made it an attractive option for many families yearning for a suburban environment without sacrificing access to the city's cultural and economic opportunities. When it comes to transportation today, you have access to the most options available, including the D, the B, the N, the R, the Q, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the LIRR, not to mention all the City Bike stations and bus routes throughout. The community spirit in Park Slope is another aspect that makes it a special place to live. There are numerous organizations and events that bring residents together, including the Park Slope Civic Council and the Park Slope Food Co-op. The annual Halloween Parade and the Park Slope House Tour are also highly anticipated events that are enjoyed by locals and visitors alike. With a diverse population, a strong sense of community, the neighborhood has developed its own pull. For example, welcome to the 5th Avenue of Brooklyn. In terms of real estate, Park Slope offers a range of options, including cozy co-ops, contemporary condos, and new buildings that are going up every single day. The neighborhood has experienced steady and more recently explosive growth with home values over the years, always making it an excellent investment opportunity for those looking for short or long-term returns. But I would be remiss to not speak about Park Slope without raving about the beautiful brownstones and townhouses that are highly sought after by buyers for their unique architectural designs and details, such as decorative cornices, stained glass windows, and intricate ironwork. The homes and tree-lined streets have always been a major draw for home buyers, but the neighborhood's cultural attractions, excellent schools, and dining scene have also contributed to its popularity. Speaking of food, the scene in Park Slope is simply amazing. Whether you're looking for a cozy cafe or an upscale restaurant, the neighborhood offers a wide range of dining options. Some of the popular food spots include Adi La Trattoria, which is renowned for its traditional Italian fare, Aneo, which is known for its Korean dishes and seafood platters. My special favorites include Mexcal's for Mexican, One More Charm for Thai cuisine, Medusa for a Greek spread, and wait, they opened up a Harlem Shake here too? There are also several farmers markets that provide a fresh, locally sourced produce, such as the Grand Army Plaza Green Market, which operates every Saturday throughout the year. So what do you like most about Park Slope? Is it the architecture, the lifestyle, the convenience, the community, the history? Let me know in the comments below. It's truly a unique neighborhood that has everything to offer. It's no wonder why it's highly sought after by renters, investors, and home buyers alike. If you would like the opportunity to own a piece of Park Slope, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you. Oh, and here we are. If you'd like to purchase your own little piece of Park Slope, I would love for you to check out this video below for our coming soon listing at 636 President Street. My name is Everett Smith with The Agency, and I'll see you soon, new neighbor.